What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap with a very important lesson. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into today's recap. In today's recap, I took two trades, one winner, one loser. But like yesterday, I think I put on Twitter, I'm pretty sure I put on Twitter, that I'd be coming in today on defense mode. And I really did. I really came in defense mode just because things are starting to look a little bit more choppy, grindier, difficult to trade. It's what it seemed like. You know, small caps aren't as crazy hot as they were prior days. Not meaning that there aren't moves. There are moves. Today we had two stocks make big moves. UONE, and CLIR are two of the biggest moves today. Here are my trade idea scanners. CLIR is the leading one right here, and UONE right here as well. This ROSUE is really a huge disappointment. Let me show you that one. This is really bad. Like, this is nasty. Like, if you were like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy this out of the gates right there, the bell rang, boom, and you didn't like stop out of this nonsense, you went from, you know, $7 all the way down to $1.97. Not really something that's too pleasing. So yeah, these are my trade idea scanners. Link in the description section right there. You'll have a coupon code for 15% off. Just make sure to click my link there. You get the coupon code 15% off, and you can get trade idea scanners. But those two were like the main ones. The CLIR and UONE were like leading the pack in making moves. Here's UONE. You could see this massive move from, you know, what is the low day? 610 to a high day of 1923. Like, this thing was nasty. I put out a tweet saying that, you know, eventually this thing's going to pull back off of one of these halts, and it's going to blow up accounts. And I mean, guys, look at this thing, okay? After hitting a high of 1923, the next candle right here just went all the way down to $16. And not only did it go to $16, it halted there, and then it resumed and put in a low of $12.65. You know, if you would have chased it in here, made money, chased it in here, made money, chased it in here, made money, chased it into this one, nope, not so much, not so much. That candle, I mean, if you're in full size or oversized, or you're, you know, letting FOMO kick in, this could blow up your account, especially a new trader in a small account. So this is why I don't chase. And this is why I always tell you guys, you know, don't chase, because this can happen, and you never know if it's going to happen here, 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 or here. You just don't know when it's going to happen. So, you know, you really got to watch your levels and trade your levels, and don't try to just buy into a halt, in my opinion. Anyways, I'm looking here if this thing can hold this, you know, $10 to $12 zone, preferably over 12, all throughout lunch, and break this $15 zone right here. I mean, we could see a monster squeeze going into power hour. So I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes on this. So I do have two trades here. I'm going to show you both of them. One is an options trade, and one is a trade on UONE. Okay, and let me see what I have here. Okay, so I got them right here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into those and show them to you. But before I do me that quick favor, smash the like button for me. All right, turn that little sucker blue. And make sure you check out the links in the description section below and in the comment section to my website, to free trade, or first trade actually, and Webull. Webull, you download the app, you fund your account with just $100, and you get two free stocks. They could be valued up to $1,400. And first trade, you just download the app, open an account, and you get one free stock, which you can just sell all of these stocks when you get them. And then, like I always say, go out to lunch, or if you got like BYND, like I did a while back, just go fishing if you want to go fishing. I mean, that's what I like to do. So definitely take advantage of that. Now let's go ahead and jump into this live trade here. Is this it? Okay, so NKLA was my first trade. Actually, let me show you here on the chart. NKLA. Okay, so NKLA, I was watching for this level right here. You see, this is the daily. You see this $70 level right here that it hasn't been able to break 1, 2, 3 days in a row, right there. Okay, we gapped up over $70. So a move up to, you know, close to $80 was definitely a possibility. So I looked to jump right on in there. And right out of the gates, right in here, we broke over VWAP, and I thought to myself, this is it. We're gonna start that red to green move process, and we're gonna make some money. So here is the trade. Oh, no, that's not it. Which one is it? That's afterwards. I just kept recording. Is it this one? Nope. This is after I stopped out of it. So it must be this one right here. Okay, perfect. So here I am. I'm in 2 contracts. Okay, these are $70 calls. Expiration the 19th. I'm in at $4.13. And I'm just looking to see if we can keep holding that area. Okay, it's a really short trade. Only took 3 minutes. Only took 3 minutes for me to get stopped out. Right there, we're above 71. We're holding, trying to hold this VWAP area there. Okay. Like if we really start to hold VWAP here, I'm gonna add some more contracts here, because I thought to myself, if we got to push up here to 73, I can pull out a couple bucks, maybe $2 to $3 on these contracts as we make a new high here, and this could be a monster trade. So right here, this candle right here is the one that really got me like hooked in. You see how we're holding that $71 and VWAP. I add a third contract. I'm in at $4.25. They're going off right now at $4.50. So I really want to see these start to move. I want to see this break here. Let's get this up over $5. And let's make a move. We start to kind of make that little move there, but then it just doesn't go. It starts to feel kind of weird and sluggish. So right there, I bailed before the fail, and I exit the position at $4.30. So I made like 11 bucks on this. And then what happened right afterwards was this. We just failed and came back down here to the low of day area, as you can see. And then we continued to fail all the way down to new lows, all the way down here. And now those contracts that I was in at $4.25 are going off at $2.30. 240. You can see my cursor right there over 240. So, definitely. And then at that time, UONE was popping off. As you can see here, I switched over to UONE. We're halted there at $10. And that is my next trade, UONE. Okay, so NKLA was my green trade. UONE was my red trade, obviously. And this was a very simple trade for me. You see this move here from $10 up towards 15. Right? Towards 15. I was looking for that here. You see how we halt down, halt down, halt down. Okay. Well, this is after my trade. We just kept halting down. We halted down here and here. And then we start to hold this $11 VWAP area. I'm like, all right, well, you know what? Maybe we're finally going to find support here in front of VWAP. I can get in here as long as we hold this level. We should be able to see a squeeze up to at least 15. I can take some profit off and hold on to some and see if we're going to make a move back up, get a nasty squeeze going. That's what I would have expected. And I mean, as long as we hold $12 in this VWAP zone, that's what I expect to happen this afternoon. If we break underneath it, then, well, it's going to start probably turning bearish. So the setup is no longer there. Now, I got in here and we started to pop up over right here in front of 13. And I was like, okay, well, it's the previous halt. If we break over that, we might get the squeeze. That we got the squeeze, we just didn't get it in here. We got it all the way over here after VWAP failed, and it came all the way back down to $10. And then it made the move all the way up here to $14.70. So that was very disappointing. I only had 100 shares. Well, this is not it. This is just me showing. Did I not record it? Oh, hopefully I did. This is just me showing the fail on the halts down. See, look at that. That's nasty. That is really nasty. Also, here's where I'm in. Oh, perfect. Okay. So right there, you see how we held VWAP and that $11 zone. Boom. I jump in 100 shares. Got in a little bit too high for my liking, but I really wanted to see that 13 break. When that 13 didn't break, I exited the position. Lost 50 bucks. So I'm just down $40 on the day. I'll show you right here. down 52 on UONE, and up 11 on those NKLA. This is me right here, managing risk, playing defense on a day where things were crazy. Like, had this trade worked out and we would have gone up here, those little 100 shares could have made me $200-300 easily without even sweating. So I had a $50 risk for a shot at making $200-300. I'll take that any day. Because, like, honestly, let's go. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm still watching, and if we continue to hold these areas, you know, well, it's 12:30 right now, 12:28. So if we continue to hold these areas into power hour, you know, maybe there's a trade to be had. If not, tomorrow's another day. Not going to complain. I'm having an excellent month. I hope you're having a great day and an excellent month. Let me know how you're doing. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.